Hey guys, so as you can see right now we're on the bow of a boat. Yeah, we're by water. It's beautiful. What's the bay called again? Bonicles Bay. I don't know. And I'm here with Harry today. Yeah. And so we're actually on his granddad's boat, which is pretty cool. And so the sun is just going down, so we should do it fast before there's not enough light. In the background there are tons of birds. Apparently there are kiwis and stuff over there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But so tonight and a little bit of tomorrow, I'll be on the boat with Harry and his granddad, and it's pretty cool. And it's a nice boat, and we're gonna have tons of fun. And what's the time right now? 6 o'clock. Yeah. So we're probably gonna get dinner ready or something, but tomorrow we might jump in the water or something. Okay, so we just woke up from our deep slumber. My granddad was snoring as usual. We are still in the same bay. We're about to head out back to Algiers Bay to go pick up my parents and get the experience. Then we're probably going to go for like a 3-hour journey. I don't know where to, but yeah, jumping off the boat, stuff like that. You know, maybe do some snorkeling. Yeah, that'll be cool. Yeah.
Such a beautiful day today.
Snorkeling, hopefully fishing, maybe jumping off the boat. There's Lucas down there. But we're just getting lunch. So, yep, here at Vivian Bay. Looks like a lot of fun, you know, taking Gilbert out to the rocks. Yep, cool. See you soon.
Hello there.